This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Gonzalez. Sold as a seller will make no repairs. Please drive by to view, no interior showings. Investors. All submitted offers must be accompanied by POF. Needs complete remodel. This property is ready for your renovation. This could be a great fixer-upper or investment property. Room dimensions are approximately buyer to verify. Great access to Texas Med Center, Highway 288, 610 Loop, and downtown area. Reminder, entering is forbidden due to safety hazard. For more information, review the details below.